In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust paragraph spacing in Microsoft Word to make your document look just the way you want it. Whether you're crafting an academic paper, a business report, or simply ensuring your personal projects have that polished touch, understanding paragraph spacing can make a significant difference in the readability and overall aesthetic of your document. So, let's dive right in and explore how you can easily modify your paragraph spacing. To start, find the Layout tab at the top of your Word document interface. On this tab, you'll see a group labeled Paragraph, and within this group are the magic boxes marked Before and After. These boxes are your go-to tools for customizing the spacing before and after your paragraphs. You can adjust these spacing settings using the handy up and down arrows to incrementally change the space. Or if you have a specific measurement in mind, you can type a number directly into the boxes. This feature allows you to create more or less breathing room between your text, which can help with readability and make your document appear more organized. Now, if you're looking to apply these spacing changes to your entire document rather than individual paragraphs, there's a more efficient method. Head over to the Design tab, which is just a click away from Layout. Once you're on the Design tab, look for the Paragraph Spacing option. Here, you have the choice of selecting from preset options, each tailored for different types of documents. These presets can be particularly helpful if you're not quite sure of the exact spacing you need, as they offer a range of styles predetermined to enhance specific types of content. But if you have a specific vision for your document that the presets don't quite cover, you can opt for custom paragraph spacing. This gives you complete control over the spacing parameters, allowing you to set the exact look and feel you desire for your document. It's all about making your text work for you and your audience, ensuring clarity and visual appeal. Remember, adjusting your paragraph spacing doesn't just impact how your document looks. It can also significantly influence how your reader engages with your content. Proper spacing can improve flow, make your document more appealing, and establish a professional tone. So, there you have it, a straightforward guide to mastering paragraph spacing in Word. These simple yet powerful adjustments will enhance your document's readability and presentation. Thanks for watching, and be sure to apply these tips to make your document stand out with that professional polish. See you in the next video.